So cloud first, mobile first is really about making people just more productive, very simplistically. I mean, what we do as a business is about moving information into a different format, i.e. digital content, and that content's going to exist in the cloud somewhere. It's going to be on a mobile device. The two run side by side for us, and actually they are the same thing. You know, we see that we can actually deliver more value by having that same common language for our clients. Having the right mobility solutions in place gives us that speed to opportunity with customers, where they want agile workforce, whether that's a salesperson or an engineer repairing a device. They want to make sure that information's to the hand in a much more proactive and speedier way. So speed to, that kind of concept of speeding up and accelerating our workforce, should give our customers more confidence that actually they're getting a much better service, and having a mobile strategy is really a core building block for that. Our current mobility priorities are really making sure that we educate people to use the mobile platform in the most productive way. You know, on one hand, it's just a device that's a device that's a device, but actually we need to give it as a productivity tool. So our biggest opportunity is to educate our staff, who then therefore can educate our clients that actually this is the right thing to do. There's a lot of people who might just use the devices in an old-fashioned way, and we want them to use them in a much more modern way. And that's not necessarily a fault of any technology, it's just a human being thing that we need to train and educate. One of the challenges for actually having a mobile first strategy is really just making sure everybody understands that's the strategy, and actually making sure that they use that mobile platform as their tool of choice. There are many, many other ways to do your job. Some of them are exceptionally efficient, some of them are very inefficient. And that education curve to get people to think about mobile first, to match where they happen to be in their mobility day, is, you know, a real personal thing that has to get through. And you know, whether it's through a HR or staff training or corporate social responsibility, whatever those things might be, that is what we're doing. So Microsoft's great opportunity for organisations like Ricoh is to give us the story, the conversation. We talk about persona of a worker. Microsoft have fantastic capability in their products. What they need to do is help us leverage that much more. They're very sort of silent sometimes in terms of the value of their products, in terms of leveraging the persona of a person. And we really think that Microsoft can help them step up for that, to allow us to hook onto that persona story, because that I think is really where a mobile person sees themselves, whether they're highly mobile, travelling a lot, wanting information at home, whatever that might be. That persona is key to us, and Microsoft own the keys, I think, to that persona story.